Zambales Vice Governor Khonghun and his team demonstrated the resourcefulness of Filipinos in their province. Khonghun's group needed to bring relief goods in a barangay in San Marcelino, but vehicles could not cross the river because of the slippery rocks and strong waves. The politico and his team thought of using a buffalo and a wagon in order to cross the river. Their hard work paid off.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.